Novel coronavirus.
China from the novel coronavirus.
Beating this new coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
The coronavirus is already well and truly here in Europe.
Countries hardest hit by the coronavirus have each recorded their highest single-day death count.
Alright, Singapore is not safe at the moment. I think there's already 200 over cases. We gotta get the fuck out of here, man. And I know where's the best place to go. So where we're heading, we're gonna bring some survival items with us. And on top of the survival chain, we have toilet paper. Bag A, of course, we're gonna pack our essential toilet paper. And then we have this. Alright, it's a cooking kit. You need to eat. In the army, we have solid fuel. This is gonna help us cook. We're gonna bring a Swiss Army knife as well. These are important for survival. Then of course, you know, you have your items like your rope. You got some small netting. We're gonna bring along ground sheet so you can sleep on. And of course, more importantly, we're gonna bring a tent. And of course, your torchlight. You need a torchlight to scare people. We're bringing some eggs along as well. These are good protein. This is good protein too. This is a good protein. We're going to be bringing canned sardines. This is essential because it has extra virgin olive oil as well. So if you go camping, you need oil to cook, you can use this. So next up, we're going to bring some root vegetables and veggies like carrots, onions, potatoes, tomato, and some celery. Hopefully we can catch something and make stew with it. We're going to be marinating some beautiful chicken wings to bring along to cook over a campfire, if we make fire. And then got some fatty, streaky bacon. Basically, we are at Pulau Ubin and we are going to go up to Mamam Beach. We're going to call this camp expedition Operation Mamam. As you guys know, Pulau Ubin is a northern island of Singapore. So it's really actually still Singapore. It's just that it's very old school. So we're right here at the main village. So we're going to go up to Mamam campsite. It's probably 1.5 kilometers away, and in this hot weather, it's going to be a trek. We have Joel joining us on the expedition. We just started the trek, going up. He doesn't have any idea what he's doing here, so we just make him the pack mule to carry the tent. On this island, there's toilets around, but it's all non-potable water. So if you're going to drink it, you got to boil it. Or you can drink your own piss. You know, catch a snake, skin it, use the skin as a piss bag, and you drink it. We arrived at Mamam camp. And we found a very suitable spot for our camp location. So over here you can see there's a bit of grass, so it's going to be comfortable for us. Beautiful breeze coming in, so I think this place will work fine. So let's get to it. So the next essential thing that we got to set up is the campfire. So we're going to forage for some firewood. That's very important. If not, we got my friend Joel here will have nothing to eat tonight. Look at his big size. He eats a lot, so we need the fire going, man. 2 A-frames, put a stick across, and then we got something like a campfire, man.
Friends are gone now, you're fucked up by yourself.
So we successfully casted our net, and we've ready to set up the campfire. So we need some bait for fishing as well. So we're gonna pull out provision bag A, which is our supplies bag. Got an ice cooler bag. Let's get some bacon out for bait. Oh wait, look, wait. Oh look, what is this? Oh, it's a beer, man. Alright, we saw a few wild boars. One just actually ran past our camp, so we gotta be ready for anything. Portable pot, and I'm gonna show you guys, it's super amazing. We got this off Decathlon. First things first, look at this, the beautiful pan we're gonna use. Comes with disposable, plastic fork, knives, whatever it is. Alright, there you go. So it goes this way. There's a pot, and look, we've got a few drinking cups. And there you go, pot. Awesome, man. So we're gonna make a stew. Adds out that sardine that we bought earlier for the stew. So it has some awesome oil in there as well. We'll just send it into the pot. Come on, boy. Black beans as well that we're gonna add to the stew. Our friend over here is very hungry, so we need to speed up, man. Get it in there. I think it's been cooking for like 2 hours. When you're hungry, everything's good, but this is good, man. We're gonna have dinner now, so don't disturb the hungry campers, man. I'm gonna throw wings out in the rubbish bin.
Look at the shadow. Such a big chicken wing.
Oh shit. Fucking beautiful mushrooms, man. We survived the night, and I think we ate quite well, even though it's mostly canned food. But yeah, tomorrow breakfast is gonna be epic, and we still got the fire going. I can probably go on for another hour, and then we're gonna call it a night, man. I think everyone's tired, so it's super calming as well, you know, away from the virus. And yeah, I recommend anyone to come out camping. It's therapeutic, gets you away from your normal daily lives. So hopefully we don't get attacked by wild boars tonight. And if we are, we're prepared. catfish. So it's a late night supper, man. So we caught a catfish, and catfish isn't that appetizing, so we threw it back into the ocean. So let's see whether we can get another fish, a different type of fish, hopefully. Morning, rise and shine. We were up since 6 a.m. and we're starting to boil some water. I'm gonna get some breakfast going. Yeah, man, we survived the night, so let's get cooking. So once the water has started boiling, we're just gonna put the eggs in to the water and let it sit there for 7 minutes. I'm gonna make some onsen eggs.
Morning. Tiring, and I need to pee. And I pee in the jungle. Very nice. I'm gonna pan fry some bacon for breakfast. Bacon. According to Chef Kyo, I'm gonna pour some Coke onto the bacon to make cooked bacon, caramelized cooked bacon. Okay?
Here we have some baked beans. We're gonna cook in bacon's fats.
Just cook it.
Baked beans with bacon fats. Very nice.
So I'm gonna get the eggs out. Probably get one out first. So we got a really cool onsen egg. And get some crispy bacon. And of course some delicious baked beans. And there you have yourself very awesome breakfast. So as you guys can see, we're all packed up, we're ready to go. We survived, it was fun. Remember, be responsible after you set out your fire. You know, make sure you kill it off, douse it with water. And I think we're good to go. We still have our monkey beating stick. And there were a lot of monkeys attacking those other campers, which they had a hard time with. We were lucky, we were at the corner. So till next time, if you guys like the video, do subscribe, give us a like.
And please press the notification bell.
Yeah, and we'll see you guys again for more Leftover Guys action, man.
Sorry, travel vlog. Travel vlog.
Yeah, this is technically still Singapore, man.
Oh shit.